Hello everyone, my dear children. Hope you all are good and safe. Okay, I am Subhashri ma'am. Now let's start with the second chapter of grammar, that is naming words. Okay, so naming words, what do you mean by that? Naming means to name something. Okay, as we know that all of us have a certain specific names we have. Okay, starting from human beings, animals, plants, things, all the things that you find in your surroundings have specific names are there. Okay, so here let us see what has been written here. All people, places, animals and things have a name. So all places, people, animal and things, they all have a name. And all these, the words in the yellow bracket you see in the box, the words that we use for naming people, places, animals and things are called naming words. So all the, you also have your certain names, all of you are having your names. One is your good name you are having and another one is your nickname you are having, isn't it? So likewise, people means persons, all the persons, that means your father, your mother, brother, your postman, doctors, those are all the naming words. Okay, places, all the places like your park, school, bank, these are all places. Animals, lion, tiger, it will be, birds will also be included here. Birds, insect, those will also be included in animals too. Things, your pen, pencil, eraser, those are all the things. So are called naming words. You have to underline this sentence that is present in the yellow box. The words that we use for naming people, places, animals and things are called naming words. Then turn to the next page. For example, it has been given here. What are naming words? Like people. I have already said that in your people, all the persons will be included. That is man, doctor, father, singer, Amit. So your specific name, in the next chapter we will read about what do you mean by proper names and common names. But here generally all has been included together. So you have to know that it may be the good name, the single name of a person also, like Amit, Rahul, Priya, Shreya, these all also will be persons. Okay, then comes your places. Delhi, India, Mumbai, park, school, these are also the name of places. These are your proper names and these are your common names that we'll study in the next chapter. Animals, tiger, cat, ant, fish, parrot. See, all the animals, birds, insects are been included. Then comes your things. Bucket, table, tree, pencil, milk. These are all the names of things. So what do we learn from naming words? Now naming words are the names of people, places, animals and things. So you have to remember these, who all are will be included in which of the following groups. Okay, hope you all are clear. So now let's do the exercise that has been given here. Number A, look at these pictures of some people. So here some pictures have been given of some people. Okay, so choose the correct naming words. You have to choose the correct naming words from the box and write them below the pictures. So first one will be, I have written here, you see it. Number 1 is queen. Here written queen. Spelling you can get it from the box also that has been given there. Queen, Queen, queen. Second is your actor, ACTOR. Then lady, LADY, lady. Then boy, BOY, boy. Postman, POSTMAN, postman. tailor, Tailor, tailor. Then come number B. Look at the pictures of some animals and birds. Animals and birds, some pictures are given. Here also you have to choose the correct answer. First one will be peacock, Peacock. Then snake, Snake, snake. Then fox, Fox, fox. Then cow, spider, Spider, spider. Then penguin, Penguin. Then number C. Look at these pictures of some places. Some places name have been given and you have to choose the correct answer. Number 1 is a beach, Beach. Then hospital, Hospital. Then school, School, school. Then shop, Shop, shop. Bedroom, Bedroom, bedroom. Then park, Park, park. Then next, look at these pictures of some things. Some things, picture of the things have been given and you have to write the correct names. First one is your train, Train, train. Then shoe, Shoe, shoe. Then bag, Bag, bag. Then gift, Gift, gift. Then chair, Chair, chair. Then potato, Potato, potato. Okay, clear? Then come, match the naming words to the correct picture. So pictures have been given and you have to match with the correct naming words. So in your book pictures are there, so I have not drawn the picture. You just put number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the left side of the pictures. The picture those that have been given in the left side, you just mark there. Starting from 1 is the plate. Number 1 is your plate. Number 2 is your flower here. Number 3 is your driver, Driver, driver. 4 is your kangaroo. 5 horse. In that way, mark. Then on the right side you mark 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is your swing. 7 is your hospital. 8 boy. 9 bus. 10 lake. Okay, say it properly and do it. Okay, then come to the next one. Turn your page. Exercise number F. Circle the naming word in each group of words. So here some words have been given. Among them you have to mark the only naming words, you have to circle it. Number 1 is make table big. So table is a name of a thing, so circle it. Then lion, think funny. Lion is the name of an animal. Mother, big, ask. Mother is the name of a people. Great, sadly, Mumbai. Mumbai is the name of a place. Happy, book, learn. Book is the name of a thing. Okay, then number G. Now use the naming words you circle to fill in the blanks. So the naming words which you have circled it here, that words you have to use to fill in the blanks. So question has been given. I have written only the answer. I have written Rani lives in dash. So Rani lives in Mumbai. Mumbai, Mumbai. Then the dash is the king of the jungle. Lion, Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Then 3. There is a cake on the table. 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 This is my new book. B-O-O-K, book. My dash is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Okay, have a look. Okay, then come number H. Here given, underline all the naming words in each of the sentences. So all the naming words you have to underline. See, I have written here. I have only written the naming words and I have underlined it. You have to underline the naming words that has been given. Number 1 is, this is my brother. So brother is your naming word. You underlined it. The flowers are in the vase. Flowers and vase. He is eating a mango. Mango is a naming word. I live in a big house in Delhi. House, Delhi. Cows give milk. Cows, milk. Dogs chase rats. Dogs, cats. Dogs chase cats. Dogs and cats. The two girls walked slowly. Girls. My teacher is very kind. Teacher. The thief ran away. Thief. The sun is shining. Sun. So these are the naming words that you have to underline in the sentences that has been given. Okay. So this is the end of your chapter. Hope you all will do it carefully in your book. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.